My name is Sherry Laurente, and I'm your teacher for today. So, our topic for today is preparing how to prepare wet and dry mats. First, let me introduce you our materials. So, first, we have a glass slide, a cover slip, skull pen, forceps, needle, toothpick, a gumamela flower for sample specimen of pollen, onion for onion skin, methylene blue for sample of the chick cells, and iodine solution for onion skin. So, let's begin. Select a clean slide first. Then second, use the skull pen for slicing the onion. And then use the forceps to get the onion skin and then put it on the slide. But if it's so big, cut it into a small slice. And put it on the middle of the slide. Place the sample specimen on the slide. So, using a medicine dropper, place 1 drop of iodine solution for onion cell. And then get a cover slip, cover slip. Then gently over the drop of an angle with one edge touching on the slide first. Allow the liquid to spread out between the 2 pieces of glass without applying pressure. So, use the edge of the needle . Now, we have a sample of onion cell. So, let's proceed for another wet mouth. Again, get one glass slide and use a toothpick for the sample of the chick cell. So, you're going to get the sample of the chick cell on your mouth. Then place the sample specimen in the slide. Then place aside the toothpick you use. And using a medicine dropper, place 1 drop of methylene blue for the chick cell. Get again the 1 cover slip Lower a cover slip gently over on the drop at an angle, with one edge touching on the side. So, allow the liquid spread out between the two pieces of glass without applying pressure. And then if they have a bubble, use the edge of the needle. Oh, it's okay. If there is an excess, wipe up excess staining agent with a clean paper towel. So now we have a sample of onion cell and sample of the cheek cell. So now let's proceed for preparing a dry mouth. Get a glass slide again. And then get a sample specimen on gumamela flower. Place the sample specimen on the slide and set a cover slip over the sample of the specimen. So now our specimen are ready in observing the microscope. So in using a microscope, first use the LPO or the lower power objective. Get a sample specimen and put on the stage. And observe. So after that, change your objective into high power objective. And then observe again using coarse and fine adjustment knob. So after that, check another sample specimen, which is the cheek cell, and observe it into the microscope. Change it into low power objective. And do it again. When you find the result, proceed to the high power objective. And if you're done, proceed to dry mouth, which is the pollen from a gumamela flower. So change your objective into low power objective and use coarse adjustment knob. If you're done, proceed to HPO or the higher power objective and use coarse and fine adjustment knob. Okay, now we finish in preparing dry and wet mouth. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.